Greetings to all the students. In this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how to use computer mouse. Computer mouse. A computer mouse is a pointing device that is used to draw things and open and close files, folders, and programs. Now the question that might arise in your mind is, why is a computer mouse called a pointing device? Because on your monitor, you will be able to see an arrow-like object which is called pointer. This mouse pointer guides the motion of the mouse. Buttons on a mouse. There are 3 buttons on a mouse, namely left button, scroll button, and the right button. Single click and double click. Pressing the mouse button is called click. There are 2 ways in which we can press the mouse button. Let us learn both. Single click. When you press the mouse button only once, it is called single click. A single click can be done on both left and right mouse buttons. Double click. When you press the mouse buttons 2 times very quickly, it is called double click. Both these 2 clicks have to be performed within very short time, typically about half a second. A double click can only be done on the left button of the mouse and is used to open the files, folders, and programs. Left click and right click. Left click. By default, left button is the main button of the mouse and is used to select and open files, folders, and programs. Performing single click on left button helps to select files, folders, and programs. Doing double click on left button helps to open files, folders, and programs. Right click. Right mouse button is used to open pop-up menus that change depending upon where you click. Selecting and dragging files and folders using the left mouse button. Step 1. Do a single click on the file or folder that you want to select. Step 2. Keeping the mouse pointer on the selected icon, press the left mouse button and without releasing it, move your mouse. Once your pointer is on desired location, release it and your icon would be moved to the next location. How to draw using mouse. To draw something on a computer, the left mouse button is used. This is called drag and draw. Let us learn to draw in MS Paint using the left mouse button. Step 1. Take your mouse pointer to the pencil tool and select it by doing left click on it. Step 2. Take your mouse pointer back to the drawing area and then press the left mouse button. Without releasing the button, move the mouse in the direction that you want to draw. Remember, when you press the left mouse button for drawing something, think as if you are placing your pencil on the paper to draw something. And when you release the left mouse button, think as if you are taking the pencil up from the paper. So this is all about computer mouse. Thank you so much.